This is Ampulex compressor, the jeweled cockroach wasp. She is on the hunt for something, and this is it, a cockroach. She approaches it carefully as the roach is far bigger than she is. Once she is close enough, she strikes, stinging it twice. The first sting disables the roach's front legs. The second she delivers directly into the insect's brain. But this does not kill the roach, nor is it even paralyzed. The wasp's venom simply disables the roach's escape reflex. While the venom begins to take effect, the roach grooms itself compulsively.